guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Daily Goodie Box unboxing for the month of September. This is a website where you can create a free profile and join, and if you are selected you get samples sent to you. They only ask that you review it, and I will link their social media below because they also give out boxes if you follow them there as well. So let's take a look. Oh, we got some moon cheese. This is actually pretty good. I've had this before, but not this flavor. Cheddar Bacon Me Crazy. Crunchy bites of smoky nirvana. That's awesome. So got some of those. Something in here smells good. I smell it. Some ZolliPops. Boss Baby ones. That's adorable. These are sugar-free and keto, it says. Vegan, allergy-free, natural flavors, 0 grams of sugar. Little suckers. Great for the kids. And they have other products too, because we've got some of those in the past. Gloss Leaf Collagen Iced Tea. This is the peach flavor. Did receive one of these and it was so good. So good. I think I got a different flavor possibly. I know they make a couple different flavors. So it's just filtered water, has some tea leaf, citric acid, natural flavor, stevia, and it's only 15 calories. So happy to have that. Also have Tuscan multi-cooker. 4 to 6 servings, recipe on back. This is for slow cook, pressure cook. No preservatives, no salt. Ooh, balsamic sausage and peppers. That sounds really good. And then the instructions for a pressure cooker or slow cooker. That's awesome. Then we have some bug repellent. Can never have enough of that. Repels mosquitoes for up to 6 hours. It's DEET free, and they use lemon and eucalyptus oil. Very cool. This might be what I'm smelling. South of France. This looks like a bar soap. Orange Blossom Honey. French milled bar soap with organic shea butter. Yeah, very cool. Yep, that smells so nice. And then we have some Aroma Naturals Beauty Oil. Lavender Passion Flower. Relaxing Therapeutic Massage Oil. Very nice. Then at the bottom of the box, normally a paper clip with more information about some of the companies and sometimes coupons. So there's one for the tea. Yeah, mango, pineapple, and peach. So delicious. $1.50 off for the ZolliPops. Shows where you can get them. Walmart, World Market. And then more the types of candy they have, and a 20% off plus free shipping. Very cool. So if you guys are interested, I will link all the companies below, and I'll also link Daily Goodie Box in case you want to sign up and try to win a box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.